Hello all and welcome. Well, the Battle League's back, hopefully bigger and better than ever. After we had the debacle with the Remington Tyrant where it just wouldn't work no matter what we did, and in the end it shot me, I thought it was best just to take it back for safety. We have a new gun, which is obviously our Crosman Silver Fox Nitro Piston. Don't know how that's going to go, but we'll see. A few little things to fill in on before we start. As you know, with the duck hunt, always try and keep an eye on the centre reset. If that moves, I will accept the shot because I know it's hit the back bar. So if you see that centre one move, I'll accept it as a scoring shot. Also, it's the same more or less with the gallery. If it goes up but gets knocked off, it still counts. It's done what it needs to do. It's got up there. It's a good shot. Same again with the reset on the gallery. If you hit the top there and only one drops, but we know it's hit, I'll count it as a hit. It's just to say like it has hit it really, so it counts. A lot of people have asked me about this. What I use to push the pellets in on the guns. I'll bring it a little bit closer there, hopefully you can zoom it in. That's all it is, a little piece of plastic with a little ball on the end that pushes the pellets in and balances it, gets it set straight inside the chamber of the gun. These are available off eBay. I think I paid about £7 for two, and if I remember right, it's the shooting shed you need to look for. But I know a few have asked me about this, so I thought I'd show you that. Right, we have done the draw for the first 6 games, and they are as follows. Game 1 is the SMK Mod19 SG, and that's up against the Webley VMX Quantum. In game 2, and the Silver Fox had a terrible draw here. In its first game, it's up against the Exocet. So game 2, Exocet against the Crosman Silver Fox. Game 3 is the Baycat against the BSA. The Baycat will be thinking that's a bad draw for me, no doubt. Game 4, the Gamo up against the Hatsan 900X. Now bear in mind this Gamo, in a game you've never seen, because I deleted them all so we could get on with the new league. The Gamo Whisper X beat the Exocet in one of those games, so that Whisper X could be a little bit of an unknown quantity and could be a danger in this, so look out for that one. Game 5 we had the Remington Express XP, and that's up against the Atsan AirTac ED. Should be a close game, that one, to be honest with you, so that's not a bad draw. And the last one of the 6 draws for the first round, because there's 12 guns, is the Crosman Phantom, and that's up against one of the guns that are coming about at the same time as itself, which is the Stoger RX20 S2 suppressor. Another gun that's been shooting really well is the Stoger. The Phantom's not been doing too bad either, so it should be again a decent matchup there. With these guns now, they're all matched to different pellets, and I'll read them out as it goes. The SMK Mod19 and the Crosman Phantom are both matched with the Air Arms Diablo fields. The Gamo and the BSA are matched with the Gamo Pro Hunter pellets. They seem to go very well with that. The Hatsan 900X is matched with the H&N Field Trophies. We have the Hatsan AirTac ED that goes well with the Crosman Premier Mags, so that's matched to that. The Silver Fox, it came into me when I brought it with a tin of JSB Exact Jumbos, so I've matched it to that for now. We'll give it a run with that. As I say, it's a little known quantity. All I've really done is the test and review with the gun, so obviously if it comes to the point where I'm feeling that the JSB doesn't suit the Silver Fox, I will change it, but at the moment it'll be with the JSB Exact Jumbos, that one will. The Remington will be with the VMX pellets. The Remington Express XP, that is, will be with the VMX pellets. and all the other guns fire fine with just the standard marksman pellets, so there'll be 4 guns with just standard marksman pellets. So I hope that's explained everything. I've wasted your time enough now. I've tried to fill you in with as much as I can. I'm still not really good after my fallout the other week, but I'm just going to try and get it done as quick as I can, keep it running as much as I can. But that's all the news and everything you need to know over. Let's get them out there, let's get this underway. We're back. As you can see, the gallery has been repainted ready for this one, and the first shot in is from the SMK. Let's see how it goes. Always like a direct hit for a first shot. Does seem to suit these pellets really well, the AAs. They do go with this gun quite well. Doing really well. Oh, clipped it but didn't go. Still chance for a 4 though, which is a good score. Can he hit the reset? He does indeed, and scores 4. That's a great start, I think, there from the SMK. 4 scored. Right. I don't know why I'm looking at the gun now. I used to get confused with this gun and the Remington, the one that we've just lost, the Torrent. They looked exactly the same. I hated it when they were in a game together. I never knew if I was picking the right gun up. That one counted it up and over, so that's a good one. So that's 1. I don't think that one did go over from where I've seen, so I can't count that one. So that means now the VMX cannot afford a miss. Right, to draw the round, needs this this top shot, and gets it. So at the end of that first round we have a draw. Okay, round 2, very close the first one was. Now it's the duck hunt. Don't forget, watch for that centre reset bar. If that moves, it counts. Yeah, that's a good one. That one definitely counts. No, can't get that one. So it looks like we're on for 4 again if you can hit the reset. It's shooting really well in the freestanding this time, is the SMK. No, doesn't get it, so gets a nice 3 though, it's in the middle. I'll just reset on that just a second. I'm still really struggling at the minute from that fallout. I don't know if you can see the bruising I've had down there. I've fell on. I've got a few little steps there just as we go up to the top of the range. I slipped on those and fell on the steps, and I think I've done one of my ribs in. I'm trying my hardest still with this, so okay. 3 to beat for the VMX. Yes, centre move there, so that one will count. Right, at the moment we're drawing. Got 2 shots to win this round now. I don't think that went back, so needs the reset to win now. And it's a miss, so round 2 again, a draw. As we go into the next rounds, the target shooting, it's all even. Right, this is the easier part for me, the seated stuff, so let's get it underway. All even at the minute, the SMK and the VMX, so these rounds will count now as to who will win. And in first is the SMK, 5 shots to centre target. Let's see how his accuracy has improved, because people were a little bit worried about it before. He's shot really well so far today with these AA pellets. Who'd have thought we'd ever see the SMK doing pellet on pellet? But it's doing it. Oh, I should keep my mouth shut. And the last one for the SMK. Yeah, had a really good round there. Nice 5 there from the SMK. In comes the VMX. You'll need to keep it all inside the blue to have a chance here. Well, that's a good start. Oh, we've got one away. And the last one for the VMX. I think they've shot here probably similar scores, very similar I'd say. And that's the 5 for the VMX. We'll carry on into round 4, because obviously nobody can win from there. So SMK, the outer targets now. Who can win a target? So top left in each card for each gun, and the winner of whoever is the closest gets the point. You need to win 2 out of the 3. Just under the bullseye, not a bad shot from the SMK. Yeah, SMK wins the first one. Second shot. A little bit further off that time for the SMK, but VMX seemed to start off well in the target shooting in this and then seemed to lose its way, but see what it can do now. Takes number 2 anyway, so that's 1-1 in this round. Now the final one to see who wins. Both guns have shot fairly well though today, they can't complain. Ooh, just to the left of the bullseye there for the SMK. Ooh, that's really close. Right, after that I think I better get the cards in and let's have a look, see what's happened. Well, thanks for joining us back there. I've just had a look. As you can see with the VMX, it had 1, 2, 3 spread about there, whereas the 4 for the SMK were all relative right underneath the bullseye and a couple in, and it had 1 right on the ring there in the blue, as did the VMX there, had 1 right on the ring on the blue. After reckoning it up, I think the SMK won round 3 by about 2 points. Now we go on to the harder one to judge, which was round 4. Obviously the first 2 were easy to digest there. The VMX was way off with the first one where the SMK was in. Vice versa in the second one, the VMX was closer. Then we get to the third one. Now as you can see, the VMX is just on the line of the 8 scoreboard there. It's on the ring for the 8, it's just on the ring. Whereas if you have a look at the SMK there, it's really close in. So that would mean to me that the SMK won rounds 3 and 4 and takes match day 1 in a shock result where the SMK Mod19 has beaten the VMX Quantum. I'll update the leagues, put it all back as it used to be starting from 0, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.